Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using the annual catalog, Country Home, and Gather Together from the holiday catalog to make this cute little Thanksgiving Day card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and we're using Country Home and the Gather Together bundle. We're going to be using these pumpkins and Simply Thankful for All Good Things. I'm going to come in with Pretty Peacock, and I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and then I have our sentiment mounted on clear block D. I'm not loving that. I think it came up just a little bit. So let me ink this up again. All right. I'm going to put that aside. And then I have a piece of Pretty Peacock. And then the pumpkins are both mounted on clear block B. And this piece is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. All right, that's all the stamping we're doing. I'm going to now bring in my Big Shot. All right, and then I have my stitched rectangle dies. So I have that. And then I have the next size die here. And then I'm going to get these dies and kind of get a 2-for-1. All right. Run those through. All right. Let's see, we're going to use this as a mat, so that's why it was important to make it 4 by 5 1/4. So let's start putting this card together. I have a piece of the Come Together Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm just going to adhere this to this Pretty Peacock. Lost my train of thought real quick. So just like that. Now I have the Come Together Ribbon Combo Pack. And I have this, looks like crumb cake. Yes. And I'm just going to put it right here in the center. You know what? Let's see. Do I run it like that? No. So in the center this way. All right, so just like that. Now I'm going to get some more snail and I'm going to attach it to our card base. And that is crumb cake, and it is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it at 5 1/2. Alright, so just like that, now I'm going to drop my snail, apparently. I'm going to adhere this to our mat right here. So just like that. And I'm going to pop that up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I like to mix the new products with the products in the annual catalog that have been around for a little while. Alright, so right about there, and I'm going to pop this one up. And then right there. Maybe, no, I like it right there. And I was trying to decide if I'm going to use these. These are the In Color Faceted Gems. So let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just use a couple of these. All right, just like that, a quick and simple Thanksgiving Day card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!